Hey guys, welcome to the fifth lesson of the Tabla series. We hope you are excited. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a new bowl. This bowl is a new combination of the previous bowls which we have used. They are ka tete and na tete. Therefore, before we begin today's lesson, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to us yet, then go and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the bowl will be ka tete na tete na tete. Therefore, it is important to note that in this bowl, na is very important. Therefore, kindly practice it very precisely. Now let's see how to play it with the tabla. Well, that's how it should be done. And with this, we are ending today's lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 6th lesson of the Tabla series. To be notified when we upload the next video, you can go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.